Good morning. It's Saturday, May 16th. Welcome back. Before you start on your Code Academy today, I'd like you to look up the following article that was recently published in Forbes magazine. 8 job skills to succeed in a post-corona world. So the coronavirus has created a world pandemic. It's caused a lockdown in many countries. But eventually we're going to get to the other side of this coronavirus. What is the world going to look like? I don't know, but Forbes magazine published this article today on what are the essential skills, and go through it. I think you'll find it interesting. So adaptability and flexibility, those are important skills. Don't expect a job to be the same way day in, day out through your whole career. We need to be able to adapt to the work situation. Being tech savvy, so being good with technology, that's going to be more important than ever before. Artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and hopefully over the next year or 2 years, we'll be able to look at some of these topics together. Being creative and innovative. Module 4, when we get to problem solving, we'll talk a little bit about creative problem solving, data literacy, and above all, coding skills. Okay, so coding is going to be part of the post-corona world. So this is time well spent learning how to code in Python. So what we need to do is let's pick up where we left off. Last week we were looking at Python lists and dictionaries, and I left a day in the supermarket to you. This is kind of your challenge project for this chapter. So when you have both those sections completed, go ahead and do a print screen and upload it to the Learning Path Weekend 4 in the course website. This should be due, let's say, by 10 o'clock today or 9:30. Let's see if we can get all of Chapter 5 finished by 9:30. I think a few people are already finished. I am available for questions. If you get stuck on any of the sections, I'll help you. I'll even email the code to you. After that gets uploaded, we want to continue with Student Becomes the Teacher, Chapter 6, and in the afternoon, Lists and Functions. And these two chapters, they're just a review of what you already know. It expands on what you already know. We've studied lists, we've studied functions, and we're going to build on it. If we have time, I'm not sure. We might be able to start on loops today in the afternoon. Otherwise, we'll continue loops tomorrow morning. But our objective for today, finish off the rest of Chapter 5. Notice the yellow check marks on Python lists, a day at the supermarket, and later I will be providing some guidance on YouTube for Chapters 6 and 7. And please email me if you have any questions. Good luck.